Now it's time to say goodbye with a happy heart. We won't cry. A new adventure is on its way. We will learn new things and shine each day, inshallah. Thank you all for love so true. A big hug and goodbye to you. Thank you. I am Muhammad Yusuf, the head boy of the pre-primary section. Today, on this graduation ceremony, I wish my friends the very best. This is not the end, but just the beginning of an exciting new chapter in our lives. Let's never forget the memories we have created together. I want to thank all my dear teachers for helping us learn new things every day. Once again, congratulations on graduating to class first to each every one of us. Jazakallah khairan.